There's so much pink going on right now. I hope you guys are handling it. Okay, I have moisturized my face. I'm going to prime. I have not used this primer yet. This is the Dr. Brandt Luminzer Primer, Pores No More. So let's see how this goes. So I'm a little torn on using this foundation, but I was actually surprised by the overwhelming number of you guys that wanted to see a video on this. I probably won't do a full video, but I will use it in this video. So if you don't want to see this foundation, if this foundation offends you, I'm sorry, just skip forward. But if you want to see this foundation, I'm going to use the matte one in Fair and Neutral. I haven't used this at all. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, there's a lot of drama going on about the shade range of this foundation. They are releasing more shades. This is the Shape Tape foundation from Tarte. There's so many brands really need to step it up. So it's definitely not just Tarte that needs to step it up. And I know that my foundation always looks lighter on camera. It's because all these lights, girl, no matter what I do. And I'm going to use the AOA Studio sponge from my Shop Miss A haul, but let's try this. It's not as soft as the Beauty Blender. My Beauty Blender I would show you, but it's like what it's less like. But this is blending pretty nice. Ooh, I'm not liking this. So far, not so much. When you find like the perfect combination of foundation and you try anything else, like it's hard for anything to live up to. So that's what it's looking like so far. It's not bad. It's matte, and I'm not, even though I use the luminizing primer, I'm not a matte person. Okay, decent coverage. It doesn't look terrible, but it's definitely not my fave. I don't think I have a new concealer, so I'm just gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define with a little bit of Shape Tape. I don't know why I'm mixing these, but I just feel like doing that today. I don't like the Shape Tape on my lids, so we'll put the Conceal and Define on my lid, just underneath. And I end up blending them together anyway, so. I get told a lot that I use too much concealer, but girl, I like that concealer. I like concealer, okay? Plus I use a sponge, it blends it away. I'm just gonna blend this out, just blend my under eye, and then I blend up on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna try setting my under eyes with the Makeup Revolution Ghost Powder. Hopefully you can see that, there you go. I only use this in my haul video. I haven't actually used it. I'm just gonna put some in the lid and then use my normal under eye brush and see how this goes. Obviously only use this powder if you are super fair. Ooh, I kind of like it. I like it. Let's move on to brows. I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics Brow Power. I have used it before, but it's been forever. So we're just gonna go with it. I think I'm gonna bring you in a little bit. So of course I have swatched this. I don't believe I've used it at all on my eyes though, surprisingly, even though every time I see a beautiful eyeshadow look that Makeup Revolution has posted, I swear to God, it's always this palette. First of all, as we've talked about before, I love the packaging. It's beautiful. If you guys want a full review on this palette, I can still do that, especially now that I'm going to use it. I don't even know what to do, but we're just gonna jump in and play and see what happens on my face. I kind of want to start with this orange because yes, please. So we're just going to put that in the crease and blend upwards. I'm gonna use this little AOA Studio brush. It's the E130. It's just a tiny little blender. I think I'm gonna go in, I think I wanna try this guy. I'm torn between this one and this one, so I might start with this one and then add that guy. Yeah, we'll see. We're just gonna put that directly into the crease. Ooh, she's pretty. She's a pretty girl. I've been watching a lot of that girl Shay. And she's like, oh, she pretty, and now, like, I don't know, I keep saying it. I'm watching a lot of J Kissa too. I love their ColourPop videos. I feel like I can't even ever live up to their try-on videos. Let me know what your top YouTubers are right now. Maybe I'll mention my top current favorites in my favorites video. I'm gonna blend some of those same shades on my lower start with the orange, my lower lash line. This tiny little brush is from Real Techniques. It doesn't have a name or anything on it anymore. It's actually bent, but I know it's in like one of their little eye sets. Okay, now I'm going back with that pink shade and just really focusing that on the lower lash line right up in there. Connecting it. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring that pink a little further in. I wanna add some purple. but I'm not sure where yet. This same little brush, because it's just a really nice edge, and I'm gonna use some Sport Fix. Purple, this guy, yes. I'm just gonna tuck that on my lower lash line as well. I'm gonna try and make it look like it goes purple and then pink and then orange. I'm gonna use just a little tiny bit of that purple in the crease. I don't normally use a shimmery shade in the crease, but I just want to add a little bit of extra depth out there. Kind of put it on the lid a little bit. Oh, it matches my hair. It's perfect. I'm just gonna use the white in the palette and just kind of put that on the brow bone to bring it back down. You need to get those brow hairs in control. Girl, get your brow hairs together. Keeping that purple on the lid a little bit. Okay, I really want to use a foil today. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this pink right here, this light pink, as kind of a base on the lid. And then I'm gonna go in with a foil. Okay, we're gonna use Rival. I filmed a whole video on these, but this is one of the new flawless foils from Makeup Revolution. This is Rival. I haven't used this one on my eyeballs yet, so it's an adventure for us both. Hopefully that's enough for both eyes, but I'm just gonna paint it on. Tap, tap, tap. Just blending the edge a little bit. Okay. I think I want to add my eyeliner now. I think we're gonna jump to liner and then I'll figure out from there. I do want to use this Glitter Pop Peel Off eyeliner from Too Faced. I'm gonna start with just a base of a black liner though and use my Physicians Formula, my booster pen in Ultra Black. I always want to say mineral correcting powder, and then if I'm talking about the powder, I want to talk about the eye. So since this is not new, I'm going to pop it on really quick and be right back. My eyeliner's not perfect, but that's okay because we're gonna cover it up with this Glitter Pop Peel Off liner in Hey Mr. DJ. It's got a black base with gold glitter. I'm just gonna pop it on. Wish me luck. So I went ahead and popped on some mascara. We'll use these. Okay, so these are the ones they were from my Ulta haul. They're on Ardell Studio Effects in 231. Oh, yeah, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna pop these on and be right back just because you guys don't need to watch that. I don't think I have new contour powder, so I'm probably just gonna use the one I have been using, which is just the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro. This thing is being very well loved, but I'm really liking it. And I've actually been using a slightly more neutral warm shade. Like, it's not warm, but I guess it's more neutral, not as cool toned. I'm gonna use this Carity F21 brush, and we're just gonna bronze up the cheeks a little bit, contour a little bit. I'm gonna really pile it on because your girl's filming and there's all these lights, and I just feel like if I don't put a ton on, like, you can't even tell I'm wearing it, but it's probably too much. But hey, look at this makeup look. I'm clearly not afraid to put a bunch of makeup on my face. Okay, let's blend this out. I don't dislike the foundation as much now. I feel like it's gotten a little better, probably as it's like seeped into my skin. We have a new blush. I put on way too much contour, so we're gonna go really light-handed. This is that pretty Vulgar blush I got in BoxyCharm. I think it's Hush Blush. It's a beautiful neutral shade. This is a ColourPop F9. I've been loving this for blush because it's small, dual fiber. So I'm just gonna pop that on a little bit. Oh, it's much more peachy than it looks in the pan, but that might be it mixing with, oh, that's too much, with this You know when you like put too much on one cheek, so then you're like, well, I better balance it out, and then you're just, I'm gonna look like a clown, but I already do, so it's okay. I actually think I might use a little bit of ghost powder to buff it away. Ooh, let's use this, my Physicians Formula powder. Oh my gosh, I bought a new one, but I'm using every bit of this I can. This guy, surprisingly, like packs a decent amount of pigment. I feel like if I go overboard on anything, like it just kind of helps bring it back. Okay, that definitely helped a lot. Okay. Whew. Highlight time, my favorite time. My favorite time is highlight time. Because we're going to use the Soph palette, which I don't think I've put on my face yet. By the way, I love Soph. I met her at the Freedom Awards over, I don't even know how long it's been now, over a year ago. She's a darling, and her channel is just taken off. She's doing so well. I'm so happy for her. She's an angel. She was so sweet. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm going to mix these three. Because, you know, your girl, like, cannot. I'm going to use a little bit of the Hangover 3-in-1 just to kind of meld this all together, and then we'll go on to lips. Sorry, I've got a cat hair up my nose. Well, let me say a little bit and I just drown myself. Lipsticks. I am really excited. I picked up 4 of the new Luxe lipsticks from ColourPop. I'm not sure which color we want to use, but girl, I bought all nudes. I bought all nudes because I love nudes. I love nudes and I love berries, and I don't want to do a berry because I'm like overpowered in pink right now. So I'm going to open these all and decide. I think I want to do boy because it's like the most pale shade. This packaging is so cute. So cute. I just love it. Boy. Probably going to use that guy. So those are those guys. Oh, loving it. They feel so smooth and nice. We're just going to use this Ulta one just in Bare. Okay, I'm gonna start with Stone Fox, which is the more pinky one. And I'm just gonna put a little on. I don't want to put too much. Now boy. Alright loves, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you like these first impression makeup tutorials. Some of it wasn't quite a first impression, but it was still the first time using them on camera. I get stuck in using a lot of the same products over and over again because once I find something that I like, I'm like, why use anything else? Because then you can find something else that you love. Absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. I pretty much loved everything except the foundation was okay. It looks better now. The Soph eyeshadow palette, the Soph highlighter palette, the lashes are beautiful. I really like them a lot. I like the eyeliner. I like the eye foil. Pretty much everything. Yeah, that was pretty successful. Anyway, I'm rambling. I think that's it. Let me know what kind of video you guys want to see next. Let me know if you do want the Anastasia Soft Glam palette next. Maybe a more neutral look. There's been a lot of color lately, at least for me. I like having colorful hair and neutral makeup. But I like a little color sometimes, and I feel like this was a good celebration back to pink look. So hopefully you enjoyed it. All right, loves, I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because it does help me out so much, because it lets me know what videos you like. Plus, the more engagement, the more videos get out there. Please subscribe if you have not already, because let's be friends. Yeah, okay, I love you. I'm rambling. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you could have any hair color in the world. What hair color would you have? I would have pink, so. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hello. I like that glow, girl. This is real hair right here. This is not weave. It's not happy. Concealer offends you? I'm sorry. Oh, hello, you're close. Brow pencils. Wow, those are some crusty lips right now. Okay. I always try to do that and I never can. I'm like just a little bit and then I'm like, pack it on. Shoot, I just put way too much in that lid. Girl. Perfect, thanks guys. I'm gonna pretend like you helped me because and we're just gonna pop it right here. Yes. Oh yes, queen. There we go. I always breathe it in. But it smells so good, so it's okay. I know I have new lip liners and eyeliners. I have new lip liners somewhere, but I think they upstairs. So anyway, I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. How many times can I say I love you? Hi, I'm a mess.